Hey guys, it's Pony Gamer. Today I am playing Roblox jailbreak again, and this time I just joined and I just got picked up and bye. I'm escaping already. I am trying to escape easily, and this is one way. Cause last video when I did on jailbreak, it took so long and I got arrested on the first time trying it. So I'm trying it again. What are you taking me? Oh, I was about to say, what is he taking me? Is he gonna leave me on ice? Okay, so I wonder where we're going. We ain't go to the base? He took me somewhere, but I don't know where. Do you want me to get out or something? I don't know. Whoa! Is he, do you want me to get out? Oh, ah! He jumped out. Mind if I have your helicopter? It is QA for up. Let's go. No. Gotta go up. Oh wait, he's coming. Get in, get in. I don't want you to get caught. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Hurry. No. Okay, let's go. Now, my plan is to find up first. I want to lurch in the sky. Whoa, wait, can we go up there? Okay, so they can't see us. Oh, let me flap a little more. Stick in the hand of the helicopter, really. And turn around. Oh my gosh, why am I on tilt with this? No, don't jump! And he jumped. Why you taking too long? Oh, are you because you're gonna come on? Yes. Look at this. Okay, so my plan is be so high up. I can find. No. Not trusting it. Helicopter up here. No way. Oh wait, we got some new colors. Let's see about these. Looking up it too. Okay. Blue. Minus this one. Skip. Blue again. Why am I always getting blue? Okay. So I guess to match my helicopter, that's all I got. I don't know. Two. I'm up here. I should customize my car. Basically my helicopter. But let's do this. Let's go down safely. Don't want to go down so fast. Oh wait. Okay, and can I? Oh, I can customize it. No, helicopter. Go down. Yeah. All I got is blue. Can I just do bonus? Oh, this is the windows. No, I don't want the yellow. I cannot take blue because I can't get no other colors to get money. AC bounty. Do I got anything that's like? Okay, so if I do get one of these, my color I would like to get donut. Oh, that looks so cute. I'm like this is how I want my car to be. This is so cute. And the windows will not be blue, be pink. I want to see how it look. It will look like this, just like this. So cute. Oh, it'll be the delicious flying donut ever. But I can't no money. Oh yeah, wait, I forgot to. Oh man, this is how my boring whole head had to go. Let's go. Really? Okay, so I don't know when is the bank and everything is open or closed. So we're gonna go check. Is it open or closed now? This stuff is lagging. I didn't even went this way. I trying to turn. Okay, let's go. Okay, so my plan is to rob a bank. Okay, so my have to capture it right down here. Wait, forgot to press Q to go down. Ooh, I saw her. She didn't even see me. Oh my gosh. Okay, he's right there. Like, okay, let's go rescue him. No, wait, one button. What's going on with my helicopter? Is she shooting it? She's shooting it! No way. Gotta help my teammate. 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 Teammate! Hurry! She kinda killed. Teammate! No, away! Oh, no, 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 no. Back up, go back up, go back up, go back up, go back up. Why am I not going back up? No, I'm going to stay to die. Why don't the helicopter should have guns? That'd be so much cooler. Huh? Hey, girl, stop! Stop it! Kill her! Stop it! Stop! Stop shooting at me! Stop! I'm trying to help my teammate. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Why? Why is my stuff so laggy? Oh my gosh, this is so laggy. She's trying to shoot me while my stuff is left. She's getting on my nerves. Stop! Stop shooting at me. I ain't do nothing to you. Leave me alone. I'm trying to escape my... Leave me... What is wrong with these... What is she doing? Why is my head... Come on, head cousin. We got time to escape. Fine. Driving up like this. I'll be back if I get a gun. I need to find a base because I need to get a gun because she was annoying. Like I was trying to get him, but it didn't work how good I wanted it to be. She kept on shooting at me, and he couldn't escape. But now he wanted to stay up there. Gotta find the base. I can't find no base. Great. Where's the base? I'm so terrible at fighting stuff. Great. I can't go to the police station because I got no key card. And this is not my helicopter. I don't even know where to go. Great. This was exciting. Okay, let me just jump into my helicopter because this is giving me a headache. Yeah, no. Hey. No, hey. Why is my helicopter so bad at... Okay. I don't see nothing. I don't. That was like the fastest escape ever happened to my life. Sorry. I'm gonna end this video here, guys, because I don't know what to do and I can't find nothing in the dark. So I don't got time to wait in the morning. But I am so sorry for this short video. I was about to do something cool, but he hurry up and saved me. But it didn't work how I wanted to. But thank y'all so much Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to play with me, my name is PonyGamer9. In this game called Jailbreak, if you want to play, thank y'all so much, and I will see y'all guys later. Bye!